forgot to mention the CZ52 is a box magazine with 8 round. Makarov PM is a box magazine with 8 round. Here's the FM 5-7 with the 20 round box magazine.
I'll show you where they are.
FN Herstal 5.7 by 28. So you can see we fared a lot better. We had a few wild shots here, but most of these, there's our wildest shot. The only one on the outside. All the other ones were well within here, and this is the instant kill zone of the brain. Through this roll of masking tape, we can see about the relative size of it. Well within the deadly strike zone. 5.7 is definitely a good gun, and for those of you who say it was designed to penetrate body armor but not skulls, a 22 long rifle is more than capable of piercing the skull and taking down a zombie. Let me I've never done this. Here's a comparative size difference. Here's the bullet that it fires. Now, we saw the size a minute ago. Here's a little bullet that it fires. Let's do a comparative side by side. There's the 5.7 beside a 9x18 Makarov. So as you can see, this is more than capable of penetrating the cranium of a soft tissued entity such as a zombie and taking out the thought processes that keep it mobile. More than capable. Hope that solves any controversy.